Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because why not? And today I'm gonna be showing y'all what I have in my emergency school kit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all that. So we're gonna hop right into the video. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time, and here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and start. This is my pouch. Hold on, this is my pouch that I use. I take this everywhere, whether it's in my book bag or my locker. This is what I have in my bag 24/7. So we're fixing to go ahead and look through it and see what I bring to school, and this don't even really have to be for school. It can be for if you're just going out with your friends, if you're going out to party. It can be, this bag is for multi-reasons, not just school, but school is starting and school is coming up. It's coming slowly but surely. So I'm just gonna show y'all this, and I'm gonna show y'all basically what's in it, because I basically use it for school. I really don't bring it nowhere else for real, unless I think about bringing it or whatever. So let's go ahead and start. So firstly, some lotion. You want to make sure you have some lotion, because people always say, oh, do you have lotion? Do you have this? Do you have that? You don't want to be walking around with crusty ankles. That was me my freshman year. Crusty ankles everywhere. So I want to make sure that you have lotion, because people gonna ask you for lotion. And you want to make sure you have another one too, like another little one, because people gonna ask you for lotion. They're gonna take all your lotion. So you want one for them, one for you. I personally don't give people my lotion, but if you do, yeah, you want one for them, one for you. Yeah, and so this is the lotion. Next is a brush, because right now I'm not really rocking with my weave. This is my natural right now, but you want to make sure that you have a brush, because people ask for brushes all day long. Yes, my brush broke, so whatever. But people ask for brushes like all the time. Plus, your brush, you don't want your hair to be looking stiff. You don't want your hair to be looking clumped together. You want to make sure you brush that out. Not that your hair should be stiff or clumped together, but a brush can help with that if your hair is. So make sure you brush your hair, look cute, look like a baddie, whatever. So you want to make sure you have a brush. Next is deodorant, and that's all I gotta say is deodorant, because that should be kind of common sense thing. You want to make sure you have deodorant, because deodorant is very, very, very important. Say for instance you go to PE, or say for instance you're just sweating because it's hot and you just need some deodorant. So make sure you get deodorant, because that is really, really, really important. I rather use this deodorant. This is the Secret pH Balance Powder Fresh Invisible Solid Deodorant, or I use men deodorant, but that's probably when I'm going to practice, or that's probably when I'm in PE, which I don't have PE no more. I had PE in 9th grade. But if you're in PE, yeah, that's what I use, men deodorant. It's just when I'm active, so I usually use this one. And I prefer like a travel size, but I only have my full size right now, so deodorant. Next, this isn't my real card, so you want to go ahead and try to scam me. No, this is my fake card. This is my old card. This is not my recent card. This card is off, so you cannot take any of my money. Anyways, you want to make sure you have a card. If you have a card, you don't know what you need. You don't know if you're gonna have to pay for something, or you're gonna have to whatever. Just bring some extra money. You never ever know. So your card. Also, you're gonna need, this is my favorite by Victoria's Secret. Get you some just spray myself in the face. Don't do that, but get you some. This smells really, really great. And when you spray yourself in the eye, it doesn't burn as much. I'm just playing, but for real, get you some Victoria's Secret. I forget which one this is, but it'll be down in the description. This is how it looks. I think it peeled off a little bit, but that's how it looks. And don't spray yourself in the eye. Like I said, don't spray yourself. I also use this one too. This one is the Chanel, and I don't know really what's it called, but it's this one. It's the newest one, I believe, and it's the purple one, like the pinkish purple, like that color one. I used to use the pink one, but now I use this one because this one is really, really good. I absolutely love this one, and yeah, this one too. This one's really good, but I really like the inexpensive this one because this one costs, I think, like $100. So, or I don't know how much it costs, but it's about 100. It's about 100. So this one. Anyways, next, you want your ID with you at all times, especially if you're driving to school or if you're driving, period. You don't want to be pulled over and you not have your ID, because you can be in big trouble if you don't have your ID and you get pulled over. So make sure you have your ID. My ID is really ugly. Hope you guys didn't see it, but make sure you have your ID with you at all times. It's very important to have your ID even when you're not driving. So yeah. Next thing we want to have is a toothbrush for our edges. Sometimes throughout the day, our edges tend to lift up like this or whatnot. So you want to make sure that you have a toothbrush and your edge control. I don't have my edge control with me right now because I just used my edge control and it's in the other room, so I'm not gonna go get it. So hopefully you can understand. But yeah, edge brush is really important to have throughout the day because you don't want crusty edges. You don't want crusty edges. Plus, people may ask for your people may need their edges done and may ask you like whatever. But yeah, this is my edge brush, and you may need your edges done. All right, I had to stop because somebody was mowing their grass, whatever, mowing their lawn, whatever. But it may be a different setup. I'm sorry, but we're finna begin again. So if you have acrylics, you know that you need super glue. Like, you need super glue. It is a must because them things be popping off left and right, up and down. So you want to make sure that you have super glue because it's very important, you know. And super glue can be like something else. My dog's barking now, like, oh my gosh, I can't hear it. Okay, but super glue, you never know what you need super glue for. You need super glue for your nails, but at the same time, some can pop up. I don't know what, but it can pop up. So make sure you bring you some super glue because super glue is important, man. Super glue is important. So yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, so the next thing is Advil. You can't take Advil to school, and I'm not telling y'all to take Advil to school. Do not take Advil to school, but you need Advil. Advil is very important because you can get a headache, you can get a tummy ache. You know, Advil is really important because at the end of the day, Advil is for everything. Ibuprofen is for everything, and you want to make sure you bring it because you never know, cramps, anything. So make sure you bring it. Another another must is lash glue. If you wear lashes, you know that you need some lash glue because sometimes they can start peeling up right here, or they can whatever, but you don't want to be walking around with you seeing half of your eyelash. That's not cute. Or you don't want to be walking around with just your eyelash hanging halfway off because that's not cute, because that's like kind of like trashy, and we don't want that. So we want to make sure our lashes are on and here to stay on, because they're very much ugly like when they're all everywhere. So you want to make sure that your lashes are lash glue. Make sure you have lash glue. Next is lip gloss. I personally don't use lip gloss. I use this stuff. This stuff is really good, by the way. I use this for everything, whether it be for when I'm finna go to sleep at night and I just have like to moisturize my lips. I use it for everything. This can most definitely be a gloss. Most definitely. So I use it for everything. Yeah, so lip gloss and meaning chapstick, lip gloss, anything for your lips that you may need or may need to condition or something, you know, just anything for your lips. Also, this is very important, very important. Your charger. You need your charger because, say for instance, you're going home and you're pumping your gas and somebody picks you up, somebody takes you and your phone's dead. You need your charger because your charger is very important whether you acknowledge it or not. So if you, say for instance, you're at school and you've been on your phone all morning and you get to about your last period and they say, oh, take your phones out, we're gonna do this assignment on Google Classroom. And if you don't know what Google Classroom is, it's like this, like, I can't explain it, but if you know what Google Classroom is, you know what Google Classroom is. But your phone's gonna go dead and you can't do your assignment and you're asking for people's charger. But if you would have brought your charger in the beginning, you wouldn't have been asking for people's charger and you would have just plugged it up and started your assignment, but instead you're asking for people's charger. So make sure you bring your charger. This is very important, whether it's school or anything. You never know what could happen. So make sure you bring your charger, but bring your charger. It's very important. Next, bobby pins. Look, I got like a whole bunch in here, but I'm just pulling out one. But bobby pins are very important because, say for if you have a bun like me and something's like out, you can just bobby pin it back. Or if somebody asks for bobby pins, you have them, baby girl, they're right here. I have them right here. Are you ready? Here you go. So make sure you have your bobby pins because bobby pins are important. Now furthering on with the hair, this, I personally am a cheerleader, so when I'm at practice, everybody is asking everybody for a hair tie. So make sure you bring a lot of hair ties because a lot of people may need it, especially if you're in 9th grade PE. You can be, I don't even know what your school does, but my school, you have to be in 9th grade in order to be in PE. The only reason that you're in like 12th or 11th or 10th grade and you're still in PE because you didn't take it in 9th grade. So make sure you bring these because these are very important. Pull your hair back, whatever, even if you need it. Even if it's just like hot in your classroom and you just pull your hair back because it's hot, you know? So make sure you have these. These are very important, my guy. Say somebody's getting on your nerves in class, put these puppies in, pop them in, whatever. These are very important because they're just earphones, period. And earphones are really important because it just tunes people out. If you don't like people at school, just put your earphones in. Like, we personally can't have earphones like in the hallway and stuff, but in class, like, we can. So these are a must. And earphones, not for me, but for other people, helps to basically tune everything out so that you can focus on your work. I personally can't do that. I don't know how people listen to music and can read and like comprehend everything, but I have to just be like in complete silence to comprehend everything. But earphones are very important. Like I said, even if you're just like chilling in class and you need your earphones, you know? So I'm not gonna show y'all these, but these are very important. Pads. You need pads because pads are important. If you're weird about talking about this, just fast forward. But you shouldn't be weird about talking about it because like it's life and like it's natural. So like if you having problem, just fast forward, but you shouldn't. So yeah, but pads are very important. Extra pair of panties, you want to make sure you have those because you know us girls, we have trials and tribulations. It can come early, it can come when you least expect it. So make sure you are prepared, make sure you are ready. Even if you need I personally, I've never bled like all the way through, but say for instance you're heavy, I would say bring some tights, some black tights. Black tights match every outfit, every top that you may have, that you may that you're wearing at the time. So bring some black tights. Black tights match every shirt, every outfit. Promise you 100% it'll match. Yeah, extra panties. Extra panties are very important because you don't want to be walking around with just nasty panties. And like I said, pads too. You may not be expecting that you're finna start, but guess what? You got pads in your bag, so you're prepared, you're ready, you're set to go. So that's basically it for this video. I'm trying to think of anything else you may need, but I can't really think of anything. I think that's basically it. That's basically all. And yeah, so that is all for this video. If you liked it, make sure you thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure you thumbs up because it really helps me out. It really like lets me know like if you guys like the videos or not, or what type of videos I should be doing next. Make sure you comment down below how your day has been, and something that I didn't say that I needed to say in this video. Comment down below something that you bring that people may not know, like, oh, that's a good idea. So comment down below that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so very much. We are at 500 right now, and I'm so excited for me and you to share this journey together. And yeah, on a road to 1,000 to 1K. And I love you guys. And make sure you hit the subscribe button because I don't even know if I said that, but make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I love y'all so very much, and I can't emphasize on how much I love y'all or tell you guys how much I love you, but I love you so freaking much. All right, so I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.